Hershey cereal.
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see Lamarr Wilson here. Back with another video, and today we're gonna do a taste test of the Hershey Kisses cereal. Came out a couple months ago, maybe a few months ago. Just was able to get my hands on it, and it's made by General Mills, which makes such great cereals as I don't remember. All right, I'm actually been very excited waiting for this one. So let's do a smell test first, as we always do. All right. You know what? The chocolate smell, I thought it would be overpowering. It's very light, kind of like a Hershey Kiss. You know, like the kisses could be light. Get it? No. Okay. Yeah, that was actually kind of light. So here, let's go ahead and there you can see. Look how light and fluffy. I won't put a bunch in. Let me do like right there. Now I'm gonna be honest. There might be some kibble type of look, but I'm confident that it won't taste like that. The milk is in. Let's go ahead and I want to get that nice and wet. Cereal, guys. Okay. So that's nice. Okay. So here's my first impressions of the, oh, I can't wait. This better be good. Hershey cereal. Okay, I'm sorry. It's just, okay. Oh. Okay. Pretty much any chocolate cereal. I don't have ever, I want to say drank, ever eaten chocolate cereal. But if you ever have, I've had a few. This tastes like them. Okay, so think of any chocolate cereal, Cocoa Krispies or anything like that. This is what this tastes like. Does it taste like a Hershey Kiss? No. I don't know. These cereals don't do a good job nailing them. The only cereal that nailed it for me, or one of the only cereals, let me be fair, that nailed the taste was the powdered donut one. The donuts, that one was like the donuts. This one, it's just, it's good. Don't get me wrong. My milk is already chocolate. Oh, it has more of a cocoa taste than it has a sugary taste. The milk one was ready to match me. Okay, so what's my verdict on this? Very good, very light. If you're looking for a strong, sugary cocoa taste, this is not it. If you're looking for a identical thing to Hershey Kisses, this is not it. I like Hershey Kisses when I eat them. I rarely eat this stuff anymore, but when I do, but this is a little bit too light to qualify, in my opinion, for the candy. For a cereal though, it's not bad. Is it amazingly delicious? No, but it's a basic chocolate cereal. I feel like these cereal companies with these different flavors need to put a little bit more effort into making it seem like I'm eating a bowl of Hershey Kisses. That's what I'm saying. I should feel like I'm eating that. And right now, I feel like I'm eating any chocolate cereal on the planet. And so that's what I think. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have you had this before? If not, well, you can get it. I'm sure I got this at Walmart, by the way. So check your local Walmart. Maybe they do delivery, and you can taste it out for yourself. But if you had it, leave me a comment. Let me know, and let me know what chocolate cereals you like the best, because I don't know any that. All I know is what Cocoa Krispies and Count Chocula. This is probably Count Chocula right here. Matter of fact, if it's the same company, I don't know if it is, but this is pretty much Count Chocula. So let me know what your favorite chocolate cereals are in the comments. And thanks for watching. I will talk to you later.